In this lecture, we are going to learn about prop validation. We have a component called composition item. It's going to need some data for it to function properly. Without data, it'll produce an error. As developers, we want errors that are descriptive. We can tell Vue that a component requires a specific prop by validating the prop. We may accidentally end up passing in a wrong prop or forget to add a prop to a component. Prop validation can help us by enforcing some rules on a prop. Let's explore how prop validation works. The component item needs the song data from the parent component. In the components option, we will add the props option. Previously, we would set this option to an array. The array would be a list of properties the component can accept. There's an alternative value we can set this option to. We can set it to an object. In this object, we can configure props rather than setting their name. We're going to add one prop called song. In this object, there are a few settings we can add. The first setting we're going to add is called type. The type option allows to constrain the data type of the prop. We can restrict the data type to a string, number, boolean, etc. From what we know, each item in the array is an object. We'll set this option to object. The next option we're going to add is called required. This option allows us to configure if the prop is required or not. The component will throw an error if the prop is undefined. By default, it's set to false. We'll change this option to true. We've successfully validated the prop. With these options, we can make sure the parent component is passing on the correct prop. If we forget to add a prop, we will receive an error telling us the problem. Let's try testing the program. Refresh the page in the browser. The Manage page isn't working anymore. In the console, we'll receive an error telling us that the song prop is missing. This information is incredibly helpful because we know where the problem is. Back in the editor, open the Manage component. On the composition item component, we will bind the song prop to the song reference. Next, let's check the page again. The list of songs is working again. Great! Thanks to prop validation, we will always know what a child component needs. In the next lecture, we will finish this component by toggling the form.